to our fat and then the band in our home. I was sending GUBA Foundation. I should see you in the fellow lady in town, Martin, in the apartment, and also kind of join fellow Corey.
I'm curious, I will say that I'm curious in the year. I have answered no more expectation. It's only to me inside by fridge this one. The fridge in a shock or my bombs also moopy. So moopy and no moopy curious and I is only born inside. It's not to me, but I'm not catching a down from the said and so I but no new direct I can adapt from the swimming. I said I'm young with it. Mono swimming copper in Boambra. Na yende Johnson. Tama ono swimming pool in na microphone who no send a band down for. Bibomujana no one say, just not than ya. Said on Nadam from the band.
Tenet Nadam for no support. Also, oh, you haven't seen the body already. How old was the child?
2 years, 3 months.
I'm so sorry. We really wanted to meet her and see how we can support her. I know that it won't take away the fact that you've lost a child. Right. That one, it would never take it away. But any way that we can help to rebuild your life, get your confidence back, even if it's also therapy, right? Because I think sometimes we don't look at those things, but getting help in that way too also help. How we can set up your business again. I know that she was doing, is it Indomie?
Indomie.
We'll try and help her set back up again, and also see how we can, whatever it is that we can support her with.
As a mother, there are moments that stay with you forever, and today is one of those moments. We met the young lady whose life has changed in an instant. The floods in Accra took away her precious 2-year-old daughter and her dear friend who was 7 months pregnant. No words can ever describe that kind of heartbreak. Beyond the unimaginable loss, she has also lost her livelihood. The small business that once supported her and gave her hope has been destroyed. At the GUBA Foundation, we know that rebuilding a life begins with healing, and that's why together, with your support, we want to provide her with a grief counselling and therapy, helping to take away those first steps towards recovery. And then as she's ready and when she is ready, we want to help her rebuild her business so that she can begin again with dignity and hope. Today, we're asking you to stand with her. Your donation won't ease her pain, but it can remind her that she's not alone.
It's one thing to see things washed away, but when you lose something that's part of you, that's on a whole nother level. So when we talk about having you guys live, you know, we can buy food, we can buy mattresses, we can buy toiletries and cleaning products, but we cannot replace this child that was swept away. But what we can do is help her rebuild her life from this moment forward. And that's our goal.